By now, hopefully you've already chosen an expression that can help you today creatively. It can be dance, which is easy and you can just do it even on your own, but of course always fun to do with people. You can go for a dance class, you can just switch on some music at home and freestyle. You can follow a YouTube clip and a tutorial. You could jam, you could do an art jam. Most cities in the world have that, have facilities where you can go in and do this. Even sculpturing, pottery is a beautiful creative expression. Singing, and some of us become self-conscious, so again you can just play the record nice and loud and just sing along. But make sure you spend at least an hour doing this creative expression, whichever one it is you have chosen. We are emotional beings, and we've been working with emotions because we've been looking at our inner critic. We've been feeling gratitude. We've been introspecting on our habits. We've been diligently trying to create new thought patterns and becoming more aware. And all this work on ourselves leads to churning. And churning means we want to express. It's but natural. And so to give a healthy outlet for that expression, we use art. And if we think about it, that's what art is. Art so often is an expression of an emotion. When we listen to music, we can feel the mood of that emotion. It can be pining and yearning, or it can be cheerful and upbeat and smiley, and so too with dance. Dance can be so playful, and it can be so forceful, it can be so elegant and graceful, and again depicting moods. It's expressions of our emotions, expressions of our desires, and expressions of our beliefs or our perspectives on life. And so using art to be able to give life to what it is we're feeling, and so giving it an expression and letting it out almost helps to solidate what it is that we are thinking about. And sometimes it allows us to let go of things we've been wanting to let go of. Something like sadness, and we remembered it and we felt it all again, and it brought up all those memories and then all those thoughts, and then now that we've already looked at it, then we just want to let it go. Or sometimes we think of gratitude and we think that I have so much and I'm so blessed, and there's this overwhelming wanting to express it, and so consolidating it, making it more real, making it more tangible, make it something that we can hold on to. And so artistic expression of any kind, it can be poetry in just using words, and it can be physical and using our body and our voices. It can be putting paint to a canvas or just doodling on a paper. It can be things like cooking, which we're going to do tomorrow. It could be something like gardening, and where you get your hands in nature. Even though you're not creating the plant, you nurturing it and creating the environment around it to be conducive, we actually want to express ourselves. And most of the time we express ourselves by talking. And we call a friend and we'll rant about whatever it is that's annoying us at the moment, or call them and be all excited about, have you heard, and I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to... And so very often our expression tends to be verbal, us speaking to someone about it. But changing that expression so that it's not just verbal sometimes helps truly express it, sometimes helps us explore it a little bit more, and can be just that much more fulfilling. It's also very fun. Okay? And so who are we? Well, all the things we feeling and we thinking, and then that comes out. And so naturally we express. And so giving ourselves a healthy, fun way to express, that's definitely self-love.